This company came in, scalped us, and within a little over 2 years, or maybe a little less than 2 years, they've gone out of business.
Bring all this stuff back, all these tools, everything, throw the mirrors away, all right? Leave the vacuum in the mop bucket, trash the cabinet, trash the top. Those 2 cabinets, trash them.
Yep.
Everything right here I want brought back?
Yes, sir.
Put it in your van.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everything in here can go trash.
Okay.
All right? Okay, bye.
All right.
And the chairs and the vacuums.
Okay.
All right?
All right.
That's pretty much it.
Simple. So this guy, he scalps us. He takes 7 of our best guys. They all give me a 2-week notice right before May 1st. I'm like, what in the world is going on? And they all gave me different, I'm going here, I'm going there, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. And he told you guys to all give a 2 weeks notice so that we paid your bills.
Absolutely.
So he did it at absolutely the worst time of the year for us. What was really going on is our had coordinated with all these guys. They were having secret meetings down the street, and this guy that we had talked to about hiring him to be a salesperson for us, he really thought our concept was great. I really like the guy. I still like the guy. I don't particularly care for the way he does business, but so he decides he's going to start a demo company and compete with us. You know, he gets the box truck, he gets the dump trailer put there, he's got the same hammer, he's got all the same stuff. Did he have the same setups that we had?
He tried to mimic you the best way he could. He thought he had all the ins and outs of remove it. That was his whole plan.
So he basically took our customer list with him to this thing. They're hitting on our customers. They got a lot of our customers that used them, but 90% of our customers, he put out an email blast saying, hey, I'm no longer with Remove It Pros anymore. I'm with this new company, and please give us a try. And a lot of them did because, you know, they're undercutting our prices. So the guy's undercutting our prices because he doesn't know what he's doing. He doesn't realize what the real cost of doing this is. And he's overpaying his guys. I told them guys when they left, when I finally figured out what was going on, I said, this is not sustainable. Okay? This guy can't do math. I'm not saying I can do math either. My math sucks, but I got people around me that do really good math. So yesterday we cleaned out his office. We're cleaning out this business today as a junk removal. The guy that they're renting from, or this guy was renting from, just happens to be one of our customers for years and years and years. We've done all kinds of stuff. He owns so much property, it's not funny. He calls us up, he's pissed because this guy rented from him and kind of used our name to give him clout. Isn't that kind of funny? So then he ends up renting this place and he's running this business called Demo. Talk about a compliment. When we started, this is our rig, okay? Now, look at their rig. When I started doing this back in 2014, we came up with the bright idea of putting a box truck and a dump trailer together. Well, guess what? These guys basically emulated everything we were doing. The guys that were working for him, they would say that he would use my name 100 times a day. Well, Dave Lockwood would do it this way. Well, Dave Lockwood would do it that way. Well, Dave Lockwood would do it this way.
He tried to mimic you the best way he could.
What do you mean by that? Tell me what you mean.
Like everything that he can pick out of you.
How is he picking it out? How did he know? He wasn't talking to me.
Oh, well, you know who then.
Through the
Yeah.
So did they take paperwork of ours and use it to contact everybody?
I'm not sure.
You're not.
I'm not
you
sure.
Don't know about that.
They did use the same pricing though.
Did they? They used the same pricing. Mm-hmm. So at any rate, we're going to go ahead and get started here. Okay, so walking in here, I see mattresses on the building. We can't be here. If I tried to get the zoning for me to be here as a contractor, I wouldn't be allowed to be here. Okay, so I wondered how they pulled that off. So, but they only had three setups, it looks like. Funny thing about this is if you turn around here and you look at this, this could be my stuff. It could be the same stuff. This looks just like the stuff that we have. So inside of here, this is their office. And like I said, Talon was pretty sure he saw records that belonged to us in here. So shame on them for stealing from us. Here is the office of the head honcho. What happened here?
So this was obviously a former demolition company. I'll spare you all the details of the drama. I'll let Dave go into that. But they pretty much went belly up. Wasn't paying his employees as far as I know, but that's all hearsay to a degree. So anywho, the tenant or landlord is hiring us to come and clear everything out.
All right. So they were running a mattress company?
So originally they started as a demolition company, and what they did was they did demos and then brought the stuff back and resold it and repurposed it. Sounds familiar?
Yeah.
Here. Yeah. And then I guess it probably wasn't paying the bills, so then they opened up a mattress firm inside here.
Okay.
So, and I guess that wasn't cutting it either.
So was the signage on this for demo for a while?
They never made it. They just put the mattress thing up.
Yeah, and that's because they were not allowed to be here. We wouldn't be allowed to be here.
Probably not, because it's not zoned right.
How long ago was it that them guys took these employees?
I want to say it was summer of 21.
Summer 21?
21 or 22.
So how many guys did they take from us? They took what, 5 of our key guys?
I think it was 7. It was 6 or 7.
Really?
6 or 7, yeah.
All right, so one day we get notice from what? 7 guys. They're going to give us a 2-week notice, right?
As season starting.
As season started.
Our busiest time of the year, busiest day of the year. The floodgates open up. Yeah. We're running 100+ guys. And
we're trying to give the same service that we always give to our customers. And now we have 7 guys less than we.
Not just 7 guys, 7 lead guys that have been with us for a very long time. Most of them, very long time.
Yeah. So how many of them do we got back?
All of them except for 1.
Yeah. Are we mad at them?
No.
No, why?
No. Because they thought they were going to go get a golden goose.
Yeah, they thought they were going to win the lottery, didn't they?
Yeah, I mean, it's all hearsay, but I was told they were promised 175 to 200 grand a year at 40 hours a week to be a demo guy, which, if that's the case, hire me.
What was the blessing in all this for us after we went of that year? What was the blessing for the company?
The blessing is that we realized we were paying these guys a lot more than we should have.
So this guy,
I'm not being negative. I'm just saying,
So this guy basically scalped us, where we're with all the guys that we were overpaying, and out of our loyalty to them, we didn't change their pay once we figured this out. We're brand new. We don't know what we're doing. We're running this company, so we're paying guys based off of these little tiny jobs we're getting. We're paying them enough that they have an incentive, so they'll work faster. So then as time went on, we're getting bigger and bigger jobs. Well, the bigger jobs, the same percentage on a bigger job was ginormous. Well, now we're paying these guys way out of whack for what they should be paying. And we, out of loyalty to them, we weren't going to go to them and say, look, we're going to change your pay to where it should be once we learned it. Okay, so that's what happened. So that was the blessing in this.
Honestly speaking, if those guys did not leave to begin with, they would all be making 200+ grand a year.
Those crazy numbers and someone coming and talking to me about how good I am at something, and
that's a big mistake though, man.
Yeah.
I could have been where I was at when I left off here.
Well, not only that, we figured it out. You would be making close to 200 grand this year.
Yeah. Man, don't tell me that, Dave. Don't tell me that.
But it was a big mistake for us, where our numbers were way off, and they would be making 200 grand because we would have. I don't know. There might have came a point where we just couldn't, but. Yeah. So at any rate, this guy built his house on top of our house, and then he figured out pretty quickly it doesn't work. So what all are we taking, Talon?
You want to walk through the whole thing?
Yeah.
All right, so pretty much everything that's inside this building is, I don't know, forfeited, abandoned, whatever you want to call it. They've taken it back. They've gone through their legal channels. The mattresses are all going to somebody else, but we're going to take all these tools that got left behind. Ladders, dollies, trash cans, everything. That cabinetry over there is all going to be ours.
All right, so let's go around and check out the back of the building. Man, I wish we could pull into some place like this and work out of it.
They'll rent it to us if you want it.
Huh?
They'll rent it to us.
Yeah, I want the whole place, though. The whole place.
They only own half the building.
Yeah.
Here's the good stuff. These carts are like $750 a piece online. So we don't buy them because the guys beat them up a lot and they don't last very long, but for free, we'll take them. And then 2 more ladders. That's a 10-foot ladder, it looks like. That's $250. And then I don't know what that is, but we'll use it for something. Everything in here is going. It's getting thrown out. It looks like they literally just turned the lights off, threw the keys away, and left. Didn't close nothing up. So all that we're gonna take. We're gonna take all this stuff here, which looks like more of their crap. And then as you go back here, there's more cabinetry, there's another office, and then there's actually a whole nother room of tools in here that we're gonna take. And good stuff at that matter.
What do you think would be something worth getting?
Well, like these right here, what are we paying? $300 on eBay a piece?
Yeah, I don't remember. I haven't been buying them.
So, but we have 50 of these, if not 60. Now we have 62. So that'll save us some money there. The ladders are $150 a piece, $200 a piece, depending on where you go. Whole bunch of hand tools, Sawzall. The stuff at the front, the ladders, the trash cans, you know, $30 a trash can, $150 a ladder. Yep. You know, we're definitely gonna take a haul from this, and we're not gonna sell it, but.
Yeah, this is stuff that we can reuse.
We can use all this stuff.
That saves us money.
So, and to be honest, that's actually a former.
This was ours. Right?
That's in a former employee's tool bag, and I'll bet you $100 that some of those tools in there are ours.
All right, so what are we doing out here?
Out there?
Yep.
Outside, we're currently clearing out all the dump trailers because the tow company will not take them full. So we're going to empty them out so that they can haul them away. Okay, everything's coming out of here. We got some good booty, as Dave calls it, some goodies. You know, like these grinder blades. Same exact grinder blades we buy. I mean, it feels like we're at a copycat right now. These are like $50 a piece. So there's 5 or 6 packs here. You want some candy?
Do I want it? Yes. Am I going to take it? No.
Other than that, I haven't gone through everything yet, but it looks like there's some good stuff in here that we can reuse. Obviously, we'll throw all the rest of the crap out, but...
So do you think we're going to end up finding some of our paperwork in his files?
I'm sure there's some of our stuff in there if I had to bet.
Yeah.
You know.
When our estimator left, he...
when our estimator left, he definitely took some of the...
He duplicated our stuff, and, you know, there are things we can do about that. We're not going to do it. We're going to let the guy above handle it. So what do you think? How do you feel right now about this? You feel anything about it?
No, I have no feelings for anybody.
You don't have no feelings for anybody?
This is business. There's no emotions in business.
Yeah. You know, it's funny. Here's what I feel. Okay. I do have emotions in business, unfortunately. I actually feel sad for him. Kind of pisses me off about what the estimator did, because he's the key to this whole thing. If he didn't play his role, the rest of the stuff wouldn't happen. So as far as entrepreneurs, we need as many entrepreneurs as we can get in the world. But your reputation is everything, you know, and lying, cheating, and stealing, it's just not a good way to start a business out. That's it. That's all I got to say. What do you got to say? Anything?
I'm glad we're getting a whole bunch of free tools.
You like it?
That's all I care about.
We get added benefit, we get free tools, and that's it. Get a whole bunch of stuff, and we get to do another junk removal. And it's Remove Pro's Demolition. We'll see you on the next video.
Bring all this stuff back, all these tools, everything, throw the mirrors away, all right? Leave the vacuum in the mop bucket, trash the cabinet, trash the top. Those 2 cabinets, trash them. Yep. Everything right here I want brought back?
Yes, sir.
Put it in your van.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everything in here can go trash.
Okay.
All right? Okay, bye.
All right.
You want this table, Dave, and chairs, or no?
No.
Okay. Bring the doorknob back, throw the table out, throw the chairs out. Don't forget outside that door, there's the 2 carts and ladders.
Card reader and stuff?
No, I don't want that. Trash. Bring the ladder. Okay. Bring the cabinets. Trash the cabinets. Trash this. Don't touch any of that.
Okay.
Trash the paint and stuff in there. Yep. Everything in this room, bring it back.
Yes, sir.
Put it right in the van, okay?
Yep.
In here. Bring this back.
Yep.
Trash all the rest of this stuff. Bring the vacuums back. I don't want that. So just the desk and the chairs and the vacuums.
Okay.
All right?
All right.
That's pretty much it.
Simple.
Over now.
If you're going to be in business long term, you don't start it out by lying, cheating, and stealing. Okay? Well, at least not in a small area like this. It's not that big. So what a dumb thing to do. Sorry, that's it. Remove It Pros Demolition is our main channel. Remove It Pros. By the way, there's some cool milestones with that. We're going to be reaching 21,000 subscribers, which I don't know if that's really good or not. I think it is. We're just over 4 million views. The funny thing is on TikTok, somebody's hijacked some of our videos, and I've got 4.2 or 4.3 million views on just one of those videos, and they're probably over 6 million views, at least 5.5 million views on that channel. So I'm starting to be recognized everywhere where I go, and people are talking to me all the time. So, which is cool. But you know what we're doing is we're promoting this, and we're promoting some of the other stuff where we're going to train people how to do the stuff that we're doing. This repurposing stuff is just the bomb. So again, Remove It Pros Demolition, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed what you saw, please subscribe and leave us a like.